Congratulations on picking up access to Omni. You now have everything you need to start creating a real business online using the Omni DFY funnels, the products, and the traffic. But your order is not yet complete, so pay very close attention. You only have one chance to unlock the Omni Pro Edition. Omni Pro offers you unlimited potential with just one click. You can create unlimited funnels, clone successful funnels, siphon more traffic, create more ads, and so many other features not available in the main edition. But this exclusive upgrade is not available anywhere else other than this page, and it's strictly limited to the next 50 people. After that, we'll close it down for good. Introducing Omni Pro. So, what's in it for you? With Omni Pro, increasing your earning potential from today gets a whole lot easier. Unlimited funnels means there's no limit to scaling your email list bigger and bigger. There's no limits or caps how much revenue you can generate using Omni funnels and products. You can unlock hundreds of extra visitors from day one. You can quickly clone winning funnels. And you can do a whole lot more, as you'll see on this page. But that's not all. It gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get 3 totally irresistible fast action bonuses worth hundreds. So, if you want to unlock unlimited earning potential from day one, then Omni Pro is perfect for you. And you can order with confidence today with our 100% risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Remember, this offer is only open to the next 50 people, so go ahead and click the button below right now and add this to your order before it sells out.